Hello everyone, welcome back to our colorful world of nature. Today, we are exploring one of the most graceful and fragrant flowers in the world, the lily plant. Do you know lilies are called the flowers of purity and beauty? They have a rich history, cultural importance, and some amazing fun facts you'll love to know. So, get ready to discover the magical world of lilies, their uses, traditions. Let's begin our beautiful journey with the lovely lily plant. The lily plant is one of the most graceful and admired flowering plants in the world. Known for its large, colorful, and fragrant blooms, the lily belongs to the genus Lilium and comes in various species found across Asia, Europe, and North America. Lilies are often called the flowers of purity and renewal, symbolizing beauty and spirituality in many cultures. Lilies are perennial flowering plants that grow from bulbs. Their tall, upright stems bear narrow, lance-shaped leaves and trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom in a wide range of colors: white, yellow, orange, pink, and red. Some species, such as the white Madonna lily, are highly fragrant, while others display vibrant patterns and markings that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Lilies usually bloom during spring and summer, adding elegance and freshness to gardens and homes. They are often grown as ornamental plants and also used in floral arrangements because of their long-lasting and showy blooms. Uses of the lily plant. Lilies are not only admired for their beauty but also valued for their practical and symbolic uses. Decorative purposes. Lilies are popular in gardens, bouquets, and decorations for weddings and ceremonies. Their elegant shape makes them a favorite among florists. Medicinal uses. Some lily species are used in traditional medicine for treating coughs, fever, and inflammation. The bulbs of certain lilies are believed to have healing and soothing properties. Aromatherapy and perfumes. The strong, sweet scent of lilies is often used in perfumes and scented oils. Symbolic and religious uses. In art and culture, lilies are used to represent purity, motherhood, and rebirth, especially in Christian symbolism. Cultural and traditional significance. The lily holds a special place in many cultures and religions. In Christianity, the white lily, also called the Madonna lily, symbolizes the Virgin Mary and represents purity, virtue, and divine motherhood. It is often used during Easter and religious celebrations. In ancient Greek mythology, the lily was believed to have sprung from the milk of Hera, the queen of the gods, symbolizing motherhood and creation. In Chinese culture, the lily represents good luck, unity, and lasting love. It is often included in weddings and celebrations. In Victorian era, different colors of lilies expressed emotions: white for purity, pink for prosperity, and yellow for thankfulness. In India, lilies are associated with beauty, devotion, and spirituality, often used in temples and festive decorations. Fun facts about lilies. Here are some interesting and lesser-known facts about lilies. The word lily comes from the Latin word lilium, meaning pure or beautiful. There are over 100 species of lilies around the world. Not all flowers called lilies are true lilies. For example, daylilies and water lilies belong to different plant families. The Madonna lily has been cultivated for over 3,000 years. Lilies can grow up to 6 feet tall under ideal conditions. Some lily bulbs are edible and used in Asian cuisine, especially in China and Japan. Lilies symbolize rebirth and renewal, which is why they are often used in Easter and funerals. Each color has a meaning: white for purity, pink for prosperity, yellow for gratitude, and red for passion. The lily plant is truly a wonder of nature, a symbol of purity, grace, and eternal beauty. From mythology to medicine, from gardens to temples, lilies have captured human admiration for centuries. Their fragrance, elegance, and cultural importance make them one of the most cherished flowers in the world. With a little care and love, anyone can grow this royal bloom and enjoy its timeless charm. Wasn't that amazing? Lilies truly are the flowers of elegance and purity. We learned how special they are, from their uses and cultural meanings to their beautiful fun facts. Remember, every flower teaches us something, and the lily reminds us to stay graceful and strong. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wonderful stories from nature. See you in our next video, where learning is always blooming. Bye bye and keep exploring.